Hi everyone, today we're going to make a simple introduction and installation details for dishonor. This is the dishonor table, which is made of stainless steel when safe. It's durable, but now the table I'm seeing is the 7 mesh, which is for the large materials like maize, peanuts, and all kinds of beans. And in this back place is the windshield. Here is the outlet for the stones. And this is the table frame. It's very durable. And the outlet in the front side is the final green outlet. Under the green outlet is the handle, which is used for adjusting the wind. There is the arrow mark above the handle. Turn left, the wind will be small. And turn right, the wind will be large. There is the shield in the fan room. After moving the shield, we can see the motor which controls the dishonor table. Following is the electric box. Let's see it clearly inside. First one is the general power switch, and the next is the transducer, which is for control the vibration amplitude. And the next is the elevator switch. Last one is for fan motor switch. Following is the installation and the test running for the machine. By adjusting the handle in 3 links, we could make the green scattered evenly into the green box. Then move the dishonor to connect with the elevator, since the dishonor got the wheels and which can move around in the warehouse. The small outlet connects to the tube like in the video, which can separate the grain evenly to the dishonor table. Before starting the dishonor, we need to adjust the screw to let the wheels off the ground. Next, we need to use the level ruler to check if the machine is level with the ground. If it is not level, then we can adjust the green screw to make the machines in level, as in the video shows. In the backside part of the dishonor, there is the fixed angel area in the spring leaf, which is for protect the machine during delivery. It is necessary to remove the fixed angel area before you are running the machine. There is also the obvious mark then on it. Next work is the simple installation for the electric box. Like in the video, just fix the bolts and the nuts. Now we could connect the cables of the machines. Remove the protect shield first. Please remember to cut off the electricity power first. Then pull the cable out, one for vibration motor and another for fan motor. There are the holes in the downside of the machine, which is the cables can go through it. The cable for main power supply should be 3-phase copper wire, no less than 4 mm square. The cables go to connect with the accordingly switch in the electric box, general power, vibration motor, fan motor, and the elevator motor, as the steps in the video shows. The cable connecting now is for the motor which controls the dishonor table. Now is the cable for the motor which controls the fans. And the last one is for the total power. Then make the test running for the motor to check if you connect the cables in the right direction. In the videos, we can see the running direction is not like the arrow shows, and we need to adjust the cables. Before you adjust it, please remember to cut off the power. Then we could change two lines connect place. Any two of them will work. Same way for other motors. Next part is testing running of the distorter. Turn on the machine by electric box. First, turn on the generation power, then elevator power, and the fan motor power, and adjust the vibration amplitude. Usually the scope is 38 to 45. By adjusting the position of feeding plate, we could change the capacity of processing. Just as we mentioned, by turning around the handle to adjust the wind. When it is running normally, the green will go from the downside and the stones will climb up. The material which shows in the video is green beans. Normally, when the weight of greens is heavier than it, the vibration amplitude need to be adjusted a little larger, and the same with the wind. When the machine runs for some time, it's necessary to open the outlet of stones regularly to discharge the stones. We can see the upper side of the stone table with the stones. When we want to turn off the machine, then turn off the elevator power first, then fan motor. Next is the transducer, and the last is the generation power. After we use the machine for some time, there are some impurities under the distorter table. We're going to show how to clean it. We can see there is the gap under the table. Use one flat sheet, put it inside. Do it like the video shows, then we can clean it well. As we mentioned before, the distorter table in the video is the 7 mesh for large materials. Some clients also want to use one machine to clean small materials like sesame. For this, you're gonna need to change the distorter table to 40 mesh. Like the video shows, we need to lose the screws. Then we can remove the table out. If you have crane and forklift, it will be more easy. We show in the video is if you don't have that, it gonna need 4 people to move it. After removing the table, we could see there has 2 spare belts. If the belt in the middle is broken, we can change them. And there are 3 bearings. After the machine runs for some time, we need to remove the table and add some lubricating oil for the bearings. Next, we could see the mesh for protecting the frame room. If there has some bad impurities, we need to clean it. Then, the same way we put the other type of table back and fix the screws.